Okay, so today we're gonna do Unit 7 Present Simple Questions. I work, we like, we do, you do, they have. He works. But with he, she, it, we say he works. She likes, it has. Now I'm gonna tell you how to make questions with do and does. Do I work? Do we work? Do you work? Do they work? Does he like? Does she do? Does it have? Okay, so let's go on to the next exercise. Do you play the guitar? Do your friends like near here? Does Chris work on Sundays? Where do your parents live? How often do you wash your hair? What does this word mean? How much does it cost to fly Rome? What does Chris always work on Sunday? What do you usually do at weekends? We say, what do you do? What's your job? Like, what do you do? I work in a bank. Remember, we say, with IVU day, we say, does he like music? With he, she, it, we use does. Does he like music? Now I'm going to tell you how to make short answers. Okay? Yes, I do. Yes, we do. Yes, you do. Yes, they do. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. Now the negative short answers are no, I don't. No, we don't. No, you don't. No, they don't. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, a few examples. Do you play the guitar? No, I don't. Do your parents speak English? Yes, they do. Does James work hard? Yes, he does. Does your sister live in London? No, she doesn't. Okay, did you understand anything? Okay, that's great. So you can turn off the recording now. Bye.